Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to delete Airbnb account. For that, first of all, open up your Airbnb app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile option, which is on bottom right of your screen. There, under support section, you'll see the option of get help. Tap on it. Search delete account on the search bar. Tap on the article that says how do I deactivate or delete my account. Now scroll down, and under to delete my account you'll see manage your data. Tap on it in order to access the link. Then tap on request to delete your account. Now scroll all the way down and select the country where you live. Then tap on next, which is on the bottom right of your screen. If you are sure you want to delete your account, tap on delete account. After that, to confirm your identity, tap on email. Then you'll receive a verification code on your email, so open up your mail, copy the verification code, and then go back to your Airbnb app and paste it. After a while, you'll again receive a follow-up email. Follow the instructions and you can delete your account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.